How to use Begin by Zoho CRM. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. If you're someone that has just started their business and you want a customer facing CRM, then Begin by Zoho CRM is going to be an amazing option. It's built especially for smaller businesses when they are looking to get started in a really easy way, and you're easily able to set everything up in under 30 minutes. So let's get started. First off, simply head on over to begin.com. And with begin.com, it doesn't matter what type of business you are in, you can get started anyways with a simple system. And this allows you to manage your pipelines. You have multi channel with fully automated channels and a mobile system for all of your customer testimonials, pipelines, and customer onboarding. Now, to get started, simply click on over here to enter your name. Once you enter your name, you're going to enter your business email, and then you're going to create a suitable password. So I'm just going to sign in over here because I've created my account in the past on Begin. And I'm just going to complete my login and click on sign in over here. Once we do that, we are just going to proceed onto our account. And once we go into Zoho accounts, we can then proceed into the Begin tool. Now, if you already have a Zoho account from using another Zoho tool like Zoho Books or Zoho Accounting, then you can also use that account to log in into their other tools. So you can use the Begin tool with that as well. Now, from here, you're going to enter a company name. So our company name is Spencer and our mobile phone number. And after that, I'm just going to click on Explore Begin, and our portal details will be completed. Now, once everything has been completed, you're going to see your Begin interface. Now, for any CRM tool, we have customer relationship management, and the first step is to set up our customers. So you're going to click on Contacts on the left, and once you click on Contacts, you can click on Contact on the top right to start adding your contact. So first off, you can enter their last name, Allison, let's say it's Jackie Allison, and then their title, email, company name, and address information. Now, if you want to customize this contact, so if you want to add more information about this contact, you can click on Customize Fields on the bottom and add more lead information into your contact section. So other than the default field, if there are any other custom fields, you can add upwards of 25 fields, and you can choose whatever you want, including things like lead sources, departments, phone numbers, date of birth, zip, salutations, Skype ID, country, reporting to, X profile, secondary emails, and much more. Or click on custom field to build your own field with your own label. Now for us, this satisfies our basic requirement, so I'm just going to add this person over here, and the contact has been added. Now, when you add a contact, you will have all of their basic info on the left and some tags, and then a timeline of all interactions that you've had with that contact. Then if you go back, you guys can see by default, they add a sample contact for you as well. Then below that, you have your company section where you can start adding companies, because contacts and companies are two different things in the Begin tool. So what you're going to do is click on company on the top right and enter your company name, phone, website, and description. So let's say the company that we are working with is called Intermeter. Let's say it's called Intermeter, okay? And then I can add their phone, website, and description, and then I can just click on save. Now, whenever you add a company, you can associate individuals with that company. So you guys can see within our timeline, we have all interactions, but we also have files, emails, activities, pipelines, and contacts. So if you click on contact and click on contact over here, you can add people that are relevant to this company. So whoever are people that you are interacting with that belong from this company, you can add them over here. And if you already added or imported your contacts, you can directly go into the company name section and just double click to enter their company name. So if I just do double click, it's going to display any of the companies that have been added in my Begin CRM, or I can create a new company as well. Now that we've set up some of our basics, which include our contacts and companies, we can go into products and set those up as well. For that, simply click on Product on the bottom left and then click on Add Product. Once you click on Add Product, you can enter the product name, code, category, unit price, and description. Additionally, it's easier to import from a file, so you can click on import from a file over here and upload your file. You can download their sample file for a easy import because when you download the sample file, you will have an idea of how your contact should be imported, and you can follow that format in your XLS or CSV file. So you have a really simple import and you don't have to manually add everything. Then below that, you're going to be able to monitor all your activities on a calendar and then have a simple summary dashboard. Your dashboard has multiple different components or widgets. You can click on component on the top right to add either a KPI, which is your key performance indicator, chart, or a target meter. This can help your team achieve certain goals as well as targets for a monthly basis or a yearly basis very efficiently. Now, if I go into our top option, which is our pipelines, which is the most frequently used tool, this is going to be your pipeline. Now, different types of teams have different types of pipelines. So if you click on the top right, you can choose to create a new pipeline. This can either be done from scratch or you can pick a template as well. Once you click on pick a template, you will see on the left you have several different types of teams. If you want customer support, customer onboarding, testimonials, project trackers, recruitment, website launch, order fulfillment, and more. Now, I can also proceed with product roadmaps. I can go with marketing campaigns. So you really have a lot of different options when it comes to team pipelines as well as industrial pipelines. So you have things like insurance, software consulting, real estate, freelancers, facility maintenance, and more. Now, for us, for our CRM particularly, let's say that I want to build a customer support CRM and I want to build a pipeline for that. So I'm going to click on the customer support, click on use this template, and we can customize the template to our personal liking. So we're going to add the pipeline over here, and you can see by default the sales pipeline was added. If you don't want to include your sales over here, you can remove it as well. Now, below that, I have my customer pipeline and you can see different tickets. Now, for a new ticket, I want to set up a automation because I want my tickets to be imported from somewhere. Or if you're manually taking tickets or customer queries via phone calls, your customer support agents can add them over here as well. But you can click on automation to add an automation where a certain criteria is met and then you are assigned the owner or a customer support agent is assigned to every ticket. So this really depends on how your ticketing system works, how you're initially taking tickets on your initial automation. Then you can click on ticket on the bottom right and enter the ticket. So the ticket name, contact, company name, what stage it is in, secondary contacts, closing dates, and priorities. Let's say the ticket name is going to be product defect, and then you can enter the contact it is related to. You can create a new contact if this is a new one, or select a old one. Their company would be selected by default. And this is a new ticket. I'm gonna simply proceed with save. And the closing date for this is ideally within a month. And then our ticket has been created. Then once a ticket has been created, we can see we have a call option, we have a messaging option as well, and we can progress the ticket like so. So it can move from one section to the next. And if you want to change these statuses, you can scroll to the right and click on over here. Click on new stage to build a different stage according to your own customer support pipeline. And this is how you can get started with this amazing CRM tool by Zoho. If you want to get started, you can get started for free and build your own single pipeline with over 500 records with contact, product, and activity management and 3 automations. Then on the Express version for only $7, however, it's going to be $9 on monthly billing. You can get 50,000 records and 3 team pipelines. And on the Premier version, they have 5 pipelines as well as 100,000 records. So I definitely do think that you get a lot of value on the Premier version. And if you subscribe yearly, you only have to pay $12 per user per month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.